This video you see is not generated by Veo AI or Dreamy AI. This is generated by Grok AI. Now here I will show you how to use Grok AI to create a realistic AI videos for free, because this is free because of Elon Musk. Now here the first process is to download it. Now to download it, what you do is just go back, open your Apple Store or your Play Store, but here I'm going to use Play Store. Now here open your Play Store like this, and then click on search here, and then type here Grok AI like this. You can see, and then click on send here. Now here what to do now is to click on it like this, and here you can see my own. Here you can see Grok AI Smart Assistant, Smart AI Assistant. You can see, make sure the people that create it is XA. You can see XA on the down section here. Now here what to do now is to here download. My own says update, but your own will say install. Now here click on here. As you can see, the download is complete. It is installing. Now here what to do now is here click on open here. Now here, watch to the end to know everything on how to use Grok AI to create a realistic video, because here I will break it down in step by step. Now here what to do now is to click here, this create videos. Now click on it here. Now here it will bring you to here. You can see other videos here, you can see it, but here we are going to create our own. And you can see where you say type an image. You can type a prompt and then create an image and then turn the image into video, or you can just click this icon and then upload an image and then turn it into video. Now here the first one I will show is how to use prompt. Now here to use prompt, what you do is to click on this type an image here. Now here type the prompt here, describe it perfectly. As you can see my prompt here. Let me go on the top side. Here you can see, but let me read a few. A serene and intimate scene of a beautiful pregnant woman peacefully sleeping on a soft, cozy bed. You can see here. Now here, if you don't know how to write prompt, you can go to the ask section and then ask it to give you a prompt based on the image you want to generate. Now here, what to do now is to click on this send icon here, arrow icon. You can see it, and then wait for it to create the image. You can see it have generated the image. You see it here. Now here, click on anyone you like, or you can just directly turn it into video by clicking this icon here, this icon. As loading, now you see it's complete. Now here to play it, what you do now is to click on this play icon on here. Now you can see it is playing. You see it here. Now also you can find the episode of it by sliding down here if you want to create an episode of it. You see it. Now here you can download it by clicking this download icon here and download it. You can also redo it by clicking this redo to redo it if you don't like the way they move. Now here the second one is how to upload an image and then convert it into a video. Now here what you do now is to click on this image icon on the search box here, click on it. Now here what you do now is to select the image you want to use here, or go to the place you save the image and then click on it. You can see the image I want to use is here, like this boy on the basketball field here. I'll click on it and then it will take me here. Now here what you do now is to click on this make a video here and then wait for it to convert it like this. As you can see, it is 0%. Wait for it. As you can see, it is loading. Now it's 100%. Now here it have changed it into video here. Wait for it. You see it. Also, if you don't like how it's created, what you do is just click on this redo here and then custom and then describe how you want it to be. You see. And now after describing how you want it to be, what you do is just click on this send icon here and send it and wait for it to redo. Now you can see the changes. You see it here. You see the changes. So you can redo it more, as you can redo it and describe how you want it to be more perfect. You want the video to be. See, so that's the benefit of this redo. Now you can download it by clicking this downloading here and wait for it. As you can see, it has started downloading. So that's how to use Grok AI to generate a realistic AI videos for free. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Peace.